Welcome everyone. This video demonstrates the introduction of the Load Case Assistant in MarkDeck. Load Case Assistant provides a single environment for the fast and intuitive definition of load case entities such as displacements, loads, and contacts through the creation and management of the respective increments. In MarkDeck, increments allow the user to divide the history of a problem into convenient analysis phases and, in general, customize problem condition and results. To access this tool, click Job from the Auxiliaries button group and then New. The new Load Case Setup Assistant window opens. From the Type field, you can set the type of the analysis. The Options tab gives access to the Mark parameters that can also be browsed clicking the parameters from the Auxiliaries button group. The respective entity is created also in the database browser. In order to create a new increment, click the New Increment button. The Increment window pops up, listing all the necessary control settings. The same settings can be accessed through the Controls function or by editing the respective field in the database browser. You can create multiple increments. All the load case entities are listed here. You can add some that already have been defined from the model data by using the Add option from the context menu. Let's add some already defined constraints. In the same way, you can add the defined contacts in the interactions list. Moreover, you can create new boundary conditions or interactions in the model through the Load Case Setup Assistant using the New Constraint or New Load option. Finally, in order to add the load case entities to an increment, just check the respective checkboxes. Thank you for watching.